Do you want to know how to analyze your lab data using Python code? You came to the right place. Are you a scientist looking to analyze your experimental data efficiently? In this video, I'll introduce you to Pandas, one of the most powerful Python libraries for data analysis. We'll cover loading, exploring, and filtering real scientific data, so let's get started. First, make sure you have Pandas installed. If not, simply run. Now, let's load our scientific dataset into a Pandas data frame. This table represents an experiment where we measured the response of different samples under varying concentrations. Let's take a quick look at our dataset structure. This tells us the column names, data types, and missing values, if any. To get basic statistics about our numerical columns, we use describe. We now have a summary of our concentration levels and response values. Let's say we want to analyze only valid results from experiment A. Here's how we do it. We can also sort the data by concentration. Now, we have a neatly sorted data set. Finally, let's visualize the data using a simple scatter plot. This gives us a quick visual representation of our experiment. And that's it. We just covered how to load, explore, filter, and visualize scientific data using Pandas. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what scientific data you work with. See you in the next video.